Yeah. She won't remember me. But she doesn't even come back. Why would she want anything to do with me? Pardon me. Leave me alone. Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family, or jumps in the family, depending on which way you... What do you want? Want? Well, you might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am. Ugly? There, I hope you feel better now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Mind if I pop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? Connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, then it'll come much more sense of challenging me. You know what your trouble is? You've been preening yourself too much. What do you mean? You've got it down in the mouth. Come on, I'm getting nothing here. Nothing. Come on, give us a slide. Well, that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I got a human in my throat. Is this thing on? Oh well, I know how you feel, but your muzzle leg's depressing. Started out as a blob of jelly and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and one day someone's gonna come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. Who wants to snog a frog? You know what our trouble is? No. Our image isn't in the bone. That's all. It's a question of taste. Mark my words, when they ugly will be in. Hang on a second. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport this season's will fall flat on their ass. You know what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. fun, all right. Stay warm. Stay cheerful. See you, Feathers. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.